Hey guys, thanks for watching Fix It Phillip. Today we have a Toyota pickup with a coolant leak. So this is a 91 Toyota pickup, 2.4 liter, which is a 22 RE, which is RE is a fuel injected one. And this particular coolant leak is coming from underneath the intake. Instead of taking out the intake to repair this hose, I'm going to show you how to do that as easy as possible. It's kind of a little bit of a tight squeeze, but we're going to do it without taking out the intake, and that way you guys can do it yourselves. So here we go. So this is your whole intake manifold here. Underneath there's a coolant hose that's known for breaking on these. I've done quite a bit of them, and just from the heat and just wear and tear and age, they usually just blow apart. So this hose here is the one, and it's actually underneath the intake, facing about like this direction. This here is, I got a Gates one. It's just a 8400 hose. Better get the one it calls for, because you don't want to try to make this bend with a straight hose. We don't want it to kink. So we're gonna start by moving some things out of the way to make life a lot easier. Okay, first we've got 10 millimeter. We're gonna take off the battery terminals, battery cables. Bracket here. This one has 12 millimeter bolt. Hook in the back. There's this reservoir here, and that's part of the air system that goes right into the air box. We're gonna move this out of the way as well, give us some more room. Twist it a little bit, get it loose. So this hose, see if I can get light in there for you. I'm going to change this hose right here. It's out of the way. So this hose right here is the one that has a tear in it. So this clamp, it'd be a lot easier for me if I can twist it to have it face towards me. I'm just gonna get a rag so it's a little bit easier to pull it over. Get some needle nose pliers in there. Just take this off. Let's see if we can see where. Oh yeah, right here. See, it's a split. Okay, right now it's laid. The camera's on the motor mount, looking up. So try to give you a little bit better view here. It's pretty tight space. So just take your time. Okay. There's that. Okay. I believe this hose is a ½ inch in diameter. No. Make sure you get them on all the way. There you go. Get that nice and tight. Okay, that one's good. And a second hose clamp. Make sure you got it facing a good way so you can get your screwdriver in there. Make sure you get the hose clamp past the lip of the metal pipe. Get it nice and tight. Okay, so that is good. There's one there, one there, and we are all done. Okay, so here's the hose out of the vehicle. Like I said, this is exactly what's known for happening. It just, the hose is so old it loses all this integrity and just super gummy, and it just blew right apart right there and was just pouring out coolant. So the aftermarket one I got was totally shaped all the way up, aligned with this one like a U shape. So I trimmed that one down, like I said, just about, you know, 1/2 inch to 5/8 of an inch. Put the other hose clamps on there, so it's a lot easier to put on there instead of these spring-loaded ones. And make sure you check all your other hoses. There's a couple small ones underneath there as well that runs to the throttle body. Check your heater hoses for the same kind of damage, or they feel really gummy and they just don't feel like solid hoses anymore. And of course your upper and lower radiator hose. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.